Now that kind of leaves us what we're going to cook for lunch while we're out here. So I went ahead and brought that fast pack grill out here again because the thing is just so easy, right? I mean, I don't have to worry about going and trying to gather firewood if I don't want to. I actually have everything I need right here. I've got a bag of charcoal in here anyway, quick light charcoal. Just makes everything pretty easy that way. So using this grill is convenient. Doesn't take very long for you to be ready to cook. And I just think it kind of makes everything easier. I don't know. I feel like it does. I could be wrong. I mean, the thing literally just falls together. All right. Throw a little charcoal in this bad boy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7's probably enough, to be honest with you. What we're cooking doesn't have to really be cooked, just needs to be warmed up. So. Self-lighting charcoal is dandy fine, boy. That makes it easy. All right. Let that thing burn down for a little bit here. Maybe mess with some radio. Tailgate cooking with the charcoal grill directly on the tailgate. Gotta love this mountain hatch tailgate cover. Perfect for a workbench surface. Gives you a good flat surface instead of that bumpiness in your tailgate. And I've cooked with this charcoal grill on. This is the 3rd time now. And it doesn't do this thing any harm whatsoever. There's just not that much heat coming off the bottom of it. Most of your heat's at the top. Kilo Echo 8 Sierra Papa Sierra. CQ?
Yeah, I answered you a second ago. Am I making a repeater? KF8RM. Name's Rick.
Thanks, Rick. KF8RN, is that correct?
Kilo Fox 8 Radio Mike.
Kilo Fox 8 Radio Mike. This is Kilo Echo 8 Sierra Papa Sierra. Just out here in an adjacent wildlife area over Cooper Hollow. I was just checking comms, see how I was getting out over toward Oak Hill.
Hey, you're full quieting into the repeater there, Dave. I was the one that actually had a little short message back and forth with you on the Facebook group there this morning. Or was that last night about, you had made the comment about people trashing the Balfang radios?
Okay, now I remember that comment for sure. Yep. I just wanted to see how we were doing. I'm in a low area over here in Cooper Hollow, and I know that repeater is not real high over there in Oak Hill, so I just kind of want to see how the signal would get through. We're probably only talking, what, 10, 12 miles straight distance, maybe at the most?
Yeah, like I say, you're full quieting. The repeater's got pretty good coverage. I don't know how high the antenna is on that tower, but it seems to get good coverage. I usually get into it real well from clear out Jackson there and back, so I use it a lot, not a lot, but when I travel to Jackson and back, so, and I usually monitor it most of the time here at the house. That's where I'm at now. I'm over here on a ridge just outside of Oak Hill.
All right, buddy. Well, I appreciate the quick QSO. I'm going to get back to fix some lunch here. Kilo Echo 8 Sierra Papa Sierra. I'll be monitoring this channel. Thank you. I think we're going to keep this real simple today. We got some charcoal going here good. We just put the old Pathfinder carbon steel skillet up here. I think we're going to cook us a little bit of a Tex Mex, if you will, today for lunch. I got some stuff in the truck, and we're going to get ready to cook it up. So I just kind of threw a bag of goodies in the truck before I left. I got some tortillas here. I got a can of Hormel no bean chili. Love that stuff. So we're gonna start with some of that in the skillet here. We don't need all of it, for sure. Get that warmed up. Oh man, look at that. That's good stuff. Get that warmed up good. And I think what we're gonna do with that is we're going to mix in just a little bit of Uncle Ben's rice. All this stuff is pretty much pre-cooked, so that makes it easy. All you're really doing is warming it up. Makes it real easy for on the trail, on the tailgate, in camp, things like that. You don't have to carry a lot of complicated food to eat well. Definitely gonna have to put some Cholula in that bad boy. Put some heat in there. A little heat, a lot of heat. Something, something. Oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere fast. That repeater identifying itself. I was talking, our radio's laying down on the tailgate. That repeater's 12, 15 miles from here, something like that. So, that old Baofeng 5RM is a good radio for sure. I love it. And I am definitely in SOS mode right here on my phone, by the way. Cannot send a text, cannot do anything unless I find a satellite, because it is a newer iPhone that has satellite communication. But you could see it was really easy for me to talk to somebody on that radio without even moving. Just standing right here at the back of the truck, kind of in a low holler. No problem at all. All right, definitely getting somewhere now. Got our rice cooked into our chili good. Again, all we got to do is really warm this stuff up. We're not really having to cook anything because stuff's already pre-cooked. So it makes it real easy to have yourself an awesome lunch. Now, the coup de grace here is, I brought some queso out here with me. Rancho's white queso. Put that on top of everything when we get it in a shell. And we're gonna have us all kinds of good food here going on. Again, I only put 7 bricks of charcoal in there, but that's plenty to cook on for sure. So the fuel efficiency of this fast pack grill is amazing as well, I think. That was still plenty hot to cook more on the last time I cooked on it. I cooked on it for 20, 30 minutes messing around. And that thing, like I said, it had plenty left to cook more if I needed to. All right, my sniffer tells me this is ready to go. So let's put a little bit of guts in a shell here. We'll pull that off the heat, let her sit right there for a minute, and then we'll get us some queso here. Oh man, look at that boy. Brand new bad boy opened up. Not so sure that's gonna pour because it's not warm. So that's okay. We'll just dip it on there, just like that. Good enough for me. Well, that's gonna be some lunch right there, I'm telling you what. Man, oh man. Be lucky if we don't have that thing just all over us before it's over with here. Man, oh man, look at that. Golly. Man, look at that bad boy. Wow. Ooh, son. You don't even want to know how good this is probably gonna be. Oh man. Oh yeah. That's some kind of good. Oh man. That's a great lunch right there. That's plenty enough food. You know, a half a can of that chili, half a bag of that rice, a bag of tortillas and some cheese and hot sauce. That's enough for 2 people. Easy. That's good. Golly. I'm gonna have this on me now. Whew. It didn't stay in the shell very well. Good thing I got plenty of snow around here to wash off with. Man, perfect lunch. All right, guys, listen, I'm gonna clean this mess up and I'm gonna get on out of here. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for family, for our business, all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And like I said, a lot of my videos are just going to be like daily vlogs, what I do, what I'm doing. I came out here today to set some equipment up to make sure it's going to be right before I take it on the road, before I'm out somewhere where I can't fix the problem, and fix myself a little lunch while I'm out here, enjoy the outdoors on this beautiful day, and just thought I'd bring you with me. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.